Hello everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. As I am an assistant professor in the Department of AIDS, now we are going to learn about the topic as Introduction to Structure of Java Program. The structure of Java program is first one is documentation section, next package statements, then import statements, and then the interface statements. Then we have to define the class and then class name. Okay, then we going to define the main method, main class, main method and the class in open braces and close brace. In between the open and close braces, main method definitions are including here. The structure of Java program in documentation section. In documentation section, the documentation section is an important section but optional for the Java program. It is a very important section but is the optional for the Java program. It includes basics information about a Java program. In this documentation section includes the basic information about a Java program. The information includes the author names, data of creation, version, program name, company name and a description of the program. Whatever we write in the documentation section, the Java compiler ignores statements during the execution of the program. To write the statements in the documentation section, we can use commands. The commands may be single line, multi-line and documentation commands. Next, structure of a Java program. Single line commands. It starts with a pairs of forwarding slash. For example, slash first Java program. Multi-lines commands. Suppose we give a multi-line commands in the Java program. We have to use it starts with a slash and then put one star and ends with the star and put with the in slash. We write between these two symbols. For example, it is an example of multi-line commands. Documentation commands. It starts with the delimitary ends with the single star close. For example, slash double star. It is an example of documentation command star close star and then slash. Then package statements. A package is a group of classes that are defined by a name. That is, if you want to declare many classes within one element, then you can declare it within a package. It is an optional part of the program. That is, if you do not want to declare any package, then will be no problem within it and you will not get any errors. Here, the package is a keyword that tells the compiler that a package has been created. For example, package name, semicolon. Import statements. The package contains the many predefined classes and interfaces. If we want to use any class of the particular package, we need to import that class. The import statements represents the class stored in other packages. We use the import keyword to import the class. It is written before the class declaration and after the package statements. For example, import java.util.date and then import java.applet.star with a semicolon. Interface statement. Interface are like a class that includes the group of method declarations. It is an optional section and can be used when programmers want to implement multiple inheritance within a program. An interface is a lot of similar to a class in Java, but it contains only constants and methods declarations. An interface cannot be instantiated, but it can be implemented by the classes or extended by the other interfaces. For example, Interface name is stack. Open parenthesis void push int item. Hmm, then void pop. Then class definition. A Java program may contain the several classes definition. Classes are an essential part of any Java program. It defines the program information about the user defined classes in the Java program. A class is collection of variables and methods that operates on the fields. Every program in Java will have at least one class within a method. Main method class. A main method is from where the execution actually starts and allows the specified for the following statements. There may be many classes in a Java program and only one defines the methods. Method contains the data type, declaration and executable statements. Thank you everyone.